I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin from Trust Wallet. First, you will need to download the Trust Wallet application, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one. It is absolutely crucial to write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now that your wallet is set up, let's proceed to buying Bitcoin. On the main screen of your Trust Wallet, you will see a Buy button. Tap on it. Next, you will need to select Bitcoin or BTC from the extensive list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. After selecting Bitcoin, simply input the exact amount you intend to buy, perhaps $50 or €100, using your preferred local currency. After entering your desired amount, Trust Wallet will present you with several third-party payment providers. Select the one that best suits your needs, considering their rates and available payment methods. Carefully review all the transaction details, including any associated fees and the precise amount of Bitcoin you will receive. Finally, enter your payment information, such as credit card details, and confirm your purchase. Your Bitcoin should arrive in your wallet within a few minutes. To ensure your funds remain secure, always double-check every detail before confirming a transaction. Remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. For added protection, enable extra security features within the Trust Wallet app, such as a 6-digit passcode or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Stay vigilant and enjoy your new Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.